Hello, my name is Norida Patricia Alvarado. The number of the field is looking on habits. Chris Garner is a young father who lives with his Linda and Christopher, his son. After a large file investment he made and a great economic progress at counseling to lay at home. He's for his part accepted a very ambitious young in which he did not pay for the fees among what many economic and family needs happen. Harris accompanied by its own who chatted with him at the race to fair happiness. After some months, Chris Abner, the post with word "Have your app Fender wallet of life and the happiness you so long for. What did you learn about the movie? That the family moods are why to all one value. What we couldn't let irony with their sarcastic comments detract from women's heart and the quality they have. That in we have to fix and something sugar to read our words. We did the film make you felt? The movie made me feel some like this. The movie made me feel that it should try harder for the dreams I love. That there is nothing impossible to achieve with help of God. The does the movie let the academic program you are studying? The movie has a lot in psychology because it deals with the way the one's back visualizes himself in the middle of war and how they respond to adversities that their life brings. Is related because they are soul beings that depend of honor to achieve the objectives. In relative because in mobiles, many things than heavy the mission of helping the community.